Okay, so still in my effort to show what is the difference between a hit, an action, and what is not counted as a hit or an action, I created over here a form which have everything that Matomo need in order to be recognized as a form. And as you might know, within Matomo Analytics, there are some plugins in order to automatically recognize the form. So typically that's the case over here. So I created a form, as you can see, it's taking out contact underscore form, which is the name of the form. If I look at the visit log, you can see that so far I have the information that someone interacted with the form. So the form field left blank, I didn't submit it. So let's imagine now that I'm gonna I'm gonna leave it like this. Let's make the mathematics. So we have 6 actions over here. This one is measured 6 plus 9 plus 4. So that's 13. So normally over here in custom report, type an action, I should get 13. I'm getting 12. So as you can see, this is not recognized as a hit. Okay, so it's recognized as an action though, but not recognized as a hit. So my guess that maybe if I add total of actions here, I would have get it, but I'm not getting it. So let's make the mathematic again. So 12, 13. So an interaction with a form, for example, in my case here, is not recognized as a hit. I can do things here. Okay, so okay. If I go over here, not I reload. So the form is getting submitted. I still have my 6 action, so it's still 12. You see, it's not changing, so it's not measured as a hit. What I don't understand though is to me that should be no, not neither counted as an action. So it's here you have the feeling that in fact, yes, there are things which are sent to Matomo which are neither an action, neither a hit. Here, however, what I'm kind of curious to see is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So no, this is this is not a hit. Okay, a submitted form is not a hit, but is an action. So normally, if my theory is correct, I should normally be able to create a new report where I have as a dimension, let's say the action type, action type. Normally over here I could get action. I don't know if I can get the number of actions. No, I cannot get the number of actions. I can only get the number of hits. So I cannot really total number of interactions. Total number, sum of number of interaction. Let's see. And here I'm getting the contents. I'm getting 14, which is interesting. So that's another type of count. So let's say maybe what I can do is to have the number of hits and next to it the number of form views. Then if I do so, okay, that's the thing. So here I will get my 12, and then in addition to those I need to take into consideration my form that I will add them up. So normally it should be here it's kind of tricky, but I guess you understood the thing. Is like a hit is any requests which are sent to Matomo, whereas an action is different. So a form is an action but is not a hit.